a Bride of Pinbot preDCS soundboard, and I have replaced all of the important tantalum caps. Those are those blue ones. There's 3 of them there, one there. There's 2 between 4700 microfarad caps and the heatsink. Replace the 4700 microfarad caps. There's a 22 microfarad electrolytic there and a 10 microfarad tantalum also. It came with the driver board, so let's test it all out at one time. The driver board was very, very clean. Bride of Pinbot being an older WPC game, I was pretty surprised that the GI headers on this thing were immaculate. So I left those and I replaced all the power headers, and there are 4 of those plus ground. So let's put it into test, and that is normal when you're not connected to an actual Bride of Pinbot machine. Also normal. So let's put it into solenoid test and make it run, sorry. That must be a motor solenoid. That is a motor relay. Back to the out hole. Controlled gate. Excuse me. Dang cold is still holding on. So all the solenoids are working. Let's test the general illumination next. Looks good. Lamps and flashers working correctly. Solenoid 25 must be a direction on a motor. I'll look that up though, because it sure looks locked on. Let's see. Head. Oh yeah, Bride of Pinbot, of course, has the head. That's all we can test on here. We've tested coils, solenoids, GIs, lamps. It's all, oh, of course, we have to test sound.
How do I look? You look good. What's happening?
So that's all working well also. Thank you so much for sending it.